You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this fragrance or perfume. If you want to learn more French and especially fashion, design, brand names and beauty, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here, meaning the panther in French. Cartier is the name of the brand. Cartier. La Panthere. La Panthere is how we say it in French. You could say in English as La Panthere. La Panthere. Cartier, La Panthere. In French, Cartier, La Panthere. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.